Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here on the coastline, as you can see, and I've come down to do a bit of climbing. I'm currently at a spot that I found at the end of last year. I'm about to do a little boulder climb that I've only completed once before. I've had a bit of a warm up, so let's give it a go and see if I can do it. I'm quite pleased with that, since I haven't been climbing all winter long. Unfortunately, I just looked at my GoPro and realised that it was taking pictures instead of recording the video, but luckily we got some footage on the drone. So let's move along the coast now and see if we can find any other bouldering spots. So I've just come to this location here and found this rock behind me. Just going to have a bit of a play around on it, feel it out, and then we'll give it a go and see if we can do like a traverse from the bottom left here up to the top right. So that seemed like it's going to work. Now let's piece it all together. So we've made it to the next climbing spot. This one's quite a popular boulder, and if you're a regular viewer of this channel, you might recognize it from my previous videos. But I haven't tried it for a while, so let's give it a go and see how we get on. It's pretty brutal, so I think I'm a bit out of practice for this one, so let's move back down the coast, and I've got one more location that I think we can hit up. So we've come down to this rock just behind me here, and we're just going to climb up the edge of this one. So let's quickly do that, because the weather's starting to change a bit and it's starting to cloud over, so I think there's a bit of rain on the way. So let's get climbing. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. It was the second time taking out the drone. Thoroughly enjoyed doing a bit of climbing, because I haven't done that for a while, and I'm looking forward to getting home and checking out the drone footage. See you next time. Thanks for watching.